Hey, folks. Guess what? I've got something super exciting. This Best Switch new portable is a total game changer. Trust me, you're going to love what this brings to the table. First off, the build quality. It's absolutely gorgeous, sleek, stylish, and very premium. You can really tell they didn't cut any corners on this one. But here's the best part, the price. You're getting way more than what you pay for, which is rare these days. High quality without breaking the bank. Yes, please. This is a real multitasker for your routine. It fits seamlessly wherever you need it, from office to bedroom. It's reliable, stylish, and honestly just a joy to use. Now, here's the catch, inventory is very low right now. Head over to the bio to grab yours before they are gone. Follow for more cool updates. See you soon.